I dream of freedom, I dream of peace of mind, I dream of love, supernatural love, and everything I have.
Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video we'll see the Arabic vocabulary words for colors. So today's topic is of colors in Arabic. So let's get started. Bismillah. So the first word is akhdar. Akhdar, green. Ramadi, ramadi, gray. Alwan, alwan, colors. Wardi, wardi, pink. Banafsaji, banafsaji, purple. Azraq, azraq, blue. Aswad, aswad, black. Abyad, abyad, white. Bunni, bunni, brown. Asfar, asfar, yellow. Burtuqali, burtuqali, orange. Ahmar, ahmar, red. Let's recap once again. Akhdar, green. Ramadi, gray. Alwan, colors. Wardi, pink. Banafsaji, purple. Azraq, blue. Aswad, black. Abyad, white. Bunni, brown. Asfar, yellow. Burtuqali, orange. Ahmar, red. So these are the words, Arabic vocabulary words for colors in Arabic, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum.
Oh, yeah. So many dreams, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. 'Cause you don't be satisfied for what we have.